Republic Day in Nepal. Republic Day or Gantantra Divas is a significant national holiday celebrated annually in Nepal. It honors the historic day when Nepal was declared a federal democratic republic, marking the end of the 240 years world kingdom. Republic Day is a very important national celebration in Nepal. It is observed on Jyeshtha 15 every year in the Nepali calendar. Around the end of May in the English calendar. This day marks the historical movement when Nepal officially became a federal democratic republic in May 28, 2008, just 15 2065 BC, ending the monarchy that had ruled the country for centuries. On this day, the Constituent Assembly declared Nepal a republic, removing the title of the king and giving all power to the people. It was a result of a long political struggle and the people's desire for democracy, equality, and freedom. Republic Day reminds us of the sacrifice made by thousands of brave Nepalese who fought for peace, justice, and a better future. The journey to become a republic was neither quick nor easy. Nepal experienced decades of political instability, beginning with the People's Movement Jan Andolan of 1990, which restored multi-party democracy by limiting the king's power. However, dissatisfaction with the system and demand for deeper reforms lead to the Maoist revolution in 1996. The 10 years long civil war caused immense loss of life and suffering, but also raised awareness about social justice, equality, and the needed for a new political structure. The turning point came after the Second People's Movement in 2006, known as Jan Andolan 2, where massive public protest forced King Gyanendra to give up direct rule, following a peace agreement between the government and the Maoist. Elections were held for the Constituent Assembly on May 28, 2008. The newly elected assembly declared Nepal a republic, stopping the monarchy and establishing a system where the president became the ceremonial head of state and the prime minister assumed executive powers. Every year, Republic Day is celebrated with great respect and pride throughout the country. The main event is held in Tudikhel, Kathmandu, where the president, prime minister, and other high ranking officials attend a special ceremony. The Nepal Army, Police, and Defense Organization perform paradise and cultural programs. Schools also organize essay competitions, patriotic songs, and rallies. This day reminds all citizens that the power of the country lies in their hands and that they have the responsibility to protect democracy and work for national development. Republic Day is not just a holiday but a symbol of our unity, freedom, and commitment to building a peaceful and prosperous Nepal. Republic Day serves as an important occasion for raising political awareness, especially among the youth. The celebration, paradise, and public discussion provide a platform to educated citizens about the nation's political history, the significance of democratic process and their rules and responsibilities with the Republic. In conclusion, Republic Day is a day of pride for all Nepalese. It celebrates the victory of the people's voice and the establishment of a government chosen by the people. Republic Day in Nepal is not just a holiday, it is a symbol of national achievement and democratic identity. It honors the courage of those who out for change and reminds every citizen that the power of nation lies in the hands of its people. We should always remember its importance and contribute towards the progress and unity of our nation. As Nepal continues to move forward, Republic Day serves as a beacon of hope and a call to action for a better future.